What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is the TELESIN multifunction battery case. And I'm really looking forward to using this one. Anytime I'm recording video or footage of flying drones and RC aircraft or even driving RC cars, I'm using my GoPro Hero 10, and I need to be able to charge those batteries as well as possible, and this is really a great device. Brand new from TELESIN. I think it's going to be extremely good. This one is the TELESIN case. It has a nice little magnetic closed USB-C connection on the side and status LED indicator lights on the front that let you know as you put batteries in it what the charge is on those batteries. So it's actually charging up all of them at the same time. Gives you an indication of the charge level of each one of the batteries. So right now we're just charging them all up, and I think that's going to be fantastic. Great product, and I'm looking forward to getting really good use out of this guy. Absolutely fantastic.